So I got my ticket at the gift shop here. At the little ice chest trailer there. And it walks right in. This is the third floor. It walks right into the car museum. And I have a player's card, so it was free, but $5 if you don't have a player's card. So, Bo Hopkins. Pretty cool. Very cool. To Don Laughlin autographed. Little blanket. Don Laughlin. Don Laughlin welcomes you to the Laughlin Classic Car Collection Showroom. We hope you enjoy your visit. It's different than used to be down on the first floor. I wonder who signed this. Donnie York. Shanana. Leave a comment if you know who any of these signatures are. These are signed too. Barris. Sam Barris or something like that. Oh, that's my car right there. Plymouth Prowler, my favorite car. Well, besides the Dodge Viper. I love the Dodge Viper. Rupp. Centaur Rupp. Tricycle. 1974 Rupp. 1934 Ford Deluxe. 1904 Holzman. For sale. $143,000 plus tax. Very cool. Some Harleys. Harley. Triumph. Bolasets. And a police specialty Harley. Special Harley. Like the license plates back there. I'm sure Kansas is in there somewhere. Not gonna take the time to look at it right now. This is the guy that went like all over the world. See the map in the background? That's everywhere he went on the motorcycle. It's crazy. 1985 to 1995. Very cool. Saw the whole world. That is so cool. 1980 Honda Goldwing. Wonder how many times he had to change his tires. Apparently he had a lot of sponsors. Pepsi was one of the sponsors. Honda. Very cool. Topless women. So crazy. Very cool. Very cool. 1950 Cadillac. 1966 Mustang. 1955 Ford. Rare. 1933 Buick. Hello. 1978 Harley. Motorcycle, police car. I had a 1984 Yamaha, a lot like this. Harley, 1965 Harley, a little small Indian bike, Whizzer, Studebaker. Very cool. Some engines, boat engines, tandem bike, donated by Joseph and Ruth Miller from Wisconsin. Another Studebaker. 1929 Franklin. Don Laughlin's first 1931 Ford Roadster Model A. With the cardboard cutout. Another police. Scared me a little bit. The mannequin inside. 1930 Ford Model A. It scared me. The mannequin inside. I'm like, there's someone sitting inside it. Soapbox derby car. See the officer in the car. It scared me a little bit. I was like, that's not real. Some gaming machines. 1907 Rio Runabout. 1941 Hollywood Graham. Some stuff on the walls here. A whole bunch of patches, military stuff. View of the river. Up here on the 3rd floor. Sun's going down. Might actually catch the sunset tonight. Black and white incorporated 1934 Ford tow truck. The sun going down over there. Aquarius next door. My reflection. Black and white incorporated. I wonder who has that phone number now. 896-9511. Someone call it. Since 1946. Call it with your zip code or your area code. Authentic 1915 Ford Speedster with the can't remember what that logo is from. That is cool though. Wonder how fast they went. Old pictures getting faded by the sun. Horseless carriage. It literally says California. Horseless carriage on the tag there. September, California. 1914 Model T truck runabout. Odell & Sons Mercantile. Little tiny car there. Torrent number 1 for fire department. Always remember Patriot Day, September 11th. Some more military stuff. Honor, flag of honor. There's a whole bunch of names. Are the stars and stripes, red and blue. 1974 Cadillac Miller Meteor Criterion ambulance. Never forget 9/11. World Trade Center, September 11th on the door there. Police department, fire department, Port Authority. Oh my god, this is my favorite car. I haven't seen this car in years, but I knew they had one. DeLorean 1981. Ah, so cool. That is so cool. Brushed aluminum. Ah, so cool. Back to the Future 2, Part 2. Low miles. Sports luxury. Very cool. Another Studebaker, 1955 Ford F100. I literally just checked my phone, my pockets for my phone. I was like, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh, I'm recording with it. 1948 Packard. That's the rare. Got these ones from the other side. It's very cool. C-3PO costume made by and on display courtesy of Daniel Collier. Two kids kissing. 1930 to 1940 tire repair patching machine. These are the pictures of the restoration of this car. Very cool. It's a Woody. 1940 Pontiac station wagon. So many cool cars. 1957 Cadillac. CRA number 27. 1947. And then 1995. So that's when the pictures were taken. So cool. You got the helmet on the steering wheel. It says Joe. Woody, 1926 T C cab, R-Woody on the tag. Very cool. Spider-Man in the background there. Always love my Spider-Man, my favorite superhero. Very cool. 1954 Corvette. Some stuff on the other side here I missed. Come and see it for yourself. 1968, but get a player's card first so you don't have to pay the $5. 1957 Ebird. I'm gonna kind of zip through here. Ford Ranchero, Lincoln, Mark. 1955 Ford. 1963 Corvette. 1936 Humber, Pullman, Landaulet. 1963 Buick Riviera. 63 Olds. The Skyline Motor Special Story. Hot rod. And it's on a spinner. That is beautiful. Got the Good Witch from Wizard of Oz. 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria. 1957 Chevrolet. 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1. 1968 Chevy El Camino. 1957 Plymouth Fury. Got some stuff on the walls back there. Got the stoplight. And we got I think I got this one in the video already. 1934 Ford Deluxe 4-door sedan. And then you got all this stuff down this little hallway here. All the cars. 1925 Buddy L Toy Company C Cab Oil Hauler. Donated by Shelby T. Carlisle Jr. And you just got all these other cars. Old gumball machine or something. I don't know, what is that? Tucker newspaper ad. Dated March 1947, St. Paul, Minnesota, Pioneer Press. Very cool. Tucker Facts, Vietnam Veterans Memorial Directory of Names, 1975. A special thanks to Dawn and Dan Laughlin for your participation in co-sponsoring the Vietnam Veterans Memorial Wall. There you go. I Want You for the U.S. Army. Got a Japanese flag for the war in the Pacific. Probably one of the surrender flags. Laughlin t-shirts available in gift shops. Got Laughlin Motorsports and a video playing. The piece of one of the cars. More cars. Some Napa thing. Got some NASA stuff here. Patches and God Bless America. And you got like a Napa Auto Parts memorabilia. Cardboard cutout, the truck. Got Dale Earnhardt. Fun fact of the first NASCAR race I ever watched was the one he died in. The first or second lap from the end. Second to last lap or the last lap where he hit the wall and he died. Kind of ruined NASCAR for me. So anyways, that's it. And then right back into the gift shop. And then right back to the elevator. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. God bless. God loves you.